Across a windswept coastal town, a one-man crew turned a borrowed bicycle into a mobile tool shop with just $50. He offered essential repairs and tiny spare parts, learning through trial and error and building trust one customer at a time. Word of mouth grew, and he partnered with a local cafe to host weekly repair clinics that taught do-it-yourself fixes. Profits were reinvested in better tools and a small online storefront that shipped repair kits nationwide. Within a year, the operation scaled into a cooperative with 5 riders and a reputation for turning pocket change into dependable service.